Welcome to UserAndI, the channel where I explore all things UX and UI design, and today we're back with another Figma tip. But it's not one for your actual design process, it's probably one for your design organization whenever you're in Figma. And it's to do with the pages, so we're not going to worry about the artboards for now. But let's say that you're someone you're working on a big project, maybe at your company or maybe in your business. Or you've probably got a few variations or a few pages of designs that you're just not sure what to do with. They pretty much can be as many of these, and a lot of them are maybe from a different segment or they've got different things. Now so far Figma doesn't have a way to group these, to organize these. So what do you do? What's your go-to? So recently I discovered, I call it quite a hacky way at the moment, but it's what we've got so far, and I do hope Figma will come up with an update for this. However, what I've been doing is I pretty much just add dividers in between my sections, and I do that all over the place. And that is pretty much my go-to way to organize some of my sections. And what you can then do, depending on who you are as well, for me this is enough, but what I've also found is that you could probably even write a name in here, and you can probably go for mock-ups, or in here you can go for final, or in here you can even go for review. We'll go with needs review. And I tend to find this is a really quick way to scan down your pages and really see what's going on and really see the status of things. I don't know how you guys organize your pages, but if you do this any differently, please leave a comment below and let me know how other people are organizing their pages, or if you found a really cool plugin. I'll see you in the next episode.